Hi, this is Cindy. I wanted to show you in this video how to edit the PowerPoint for the basic digital photography for kids. And this will be the same one for the basic digital photography curriculum as well. So if you aren't aware of it, the basic digital photography for kids is a curriculum that you use to teach photography classes to kids. Like you could teach an after-school photography club or a homeschool group or even your own children. So I've had some people ask, how do I edit the slides? Well, first of all, when you purchase the template, there will be a folder that has the basic instructions for Photoshop and also the list of the fonts used. And for the most part, I use fonts that are free to download because of licensing restrictions. I can't include the actual font with the purchase. So I do give you the name, and you just go to sites like fontsquirrel.com and you can download them. So for this one, one other point is you'll need to make sure to install the fonts before opening PowerPoint. Otherwise, it'll come up all funky. But for this one, for example, if you wanted to see, you can edit the text right here. You can edit this text here. But you can't edit these stripes because they are on the master slide. So what you'll do is you'll go to View, Master, Slide Master, and that pulls up the master slide. So here's where you can edit it. So for example, if you want to click on the lines right here, and then if you go to the right, you'll see the colors. You can change the colors there to whatever color you'd like. Like maybe you have some specific colors in your branding and you want it to match. So that's where you edit that. You can also click on this one and you can edit the text here for this master cover slide. Now the for kids, this is actually not a font, it's just a graphic. So you won't be able to edit that, but if you wanted to put a photo here, you could. And then if you wanted to edit the title slides as well, you could do that here. You can edit the text here. And then this is how you edit that. So I'm going to go back to the normal view of it. And here again, click icon to add picture. This is where you would put your logo as well if you want to. So hopefully this has been helpful. Feel free to ask me any questions if you have in the comments. And I'll also put a link to where you can find the basic digital photography for kids curriculum. Thanks for watching.